Hi everyone, and welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. In today's episode, I will be showing you how I make these delicious vegan dumplings. Stay tuned. In a preheated wok on medium heat, I am going to start by adding my oil. Once my oil is hot, I'm going to drop in my vegetables, shredded cabbage, carrots, and green scallions. Once I have all of my vegetables in the pot, I'm going to go ahead and season with everything that I do have listed down below. So if you're interested in making this recipe, be sure to check out the ingredient list in my description box. We're going to start stir frying this until the oil is fully coated on all the vegetables and they're slightly softened. I'm going to go ahead and stir this and saute it for about 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add in some chicken broth just to give it more flavor, help soften it up slightly. Now I'm going to let that just soak and cook for an additional 3 minutes. Now for my Korean sauce, I will list all of my ingredients down below. Here I have soy sauce, dark soy sauce. I also will be using a little bit of honey for some sweetness, as well as sesame oil, and I have some Korean chili paste. That is key for this sauce, is the Korean chili paste. You can add as much as you like. I prefer to add that amount. Here I have sugar as well as chicken broth, and I'm going to give that a good mix. I went ahead and turned off my heat from my cabbage. It's done, it's softened up, but it still has a slight bite to it, which is exactly what we need. As you can see, the cabbage absorbed all of that chicken broth. In a saucepan, preheated on medium-high heat, I added my sauce and I'm going to bring that to a boil, and we're going to let that cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now while it's cooking, I went ahead and added some of those chili peppers. Like I said, I will have that listed down below. I'm going to give that a quick mix. So I will be using these dumpling wrappers. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so good. It was so fun to make. We really enjoyed it, and it's pretty healthy. So I have these dumpling wrappers. I am going to start with my first batch, so about 5 to 6 of the dumplings. Once I have the dumpling wrappers laid out, I will start by adding about a tablespoon of that mixture we made. You can incorporate pork, beef, even seafood like shrimp or even chicken. So once I place about a tablespoon of the vegetable mixture in the middle of the dumpling wraps, I will go ahead and start forming the dumplings. Now I bought these dumpling maker from Amazon. I will have it on my Amazon store, and I will have it linked down below. So if you're interested in purchasing these, I will have it listed. It was a good price. It wasn't nothing too expensive. Like I said, this is fun. You can do pan-seared dumplings, fried dumplings, or steamed dumplings. So I will go ahead and continue to form my dumplings. So now I'm starting on my second batch. This, you can create as many as you like. It's pretty simple. It doesn't take too long, and it's fun, like I said. Last but not least, the last one. So I went ahead and started boiling some water on the stove, and I also have a steamer pot I will be using for this recipe. Now with this steamer pot, I am adding in some lettuce wraps. Now with the lettuce, I'm adding in the lettuce to ensure my dumplings don't stick to the bottom of the pot. So I will add about 3 or 4 of the lettuce wraps. Next, I'm going to add in my dumplings. I will be steaming my dumplings until they're pretty tender to my liking. So I went ahead and steamed it for about 6 to 7 minutes. And my heat is on a medium-high heat. Dumplings can be an amazing appetizer or the main entree. They're very fresh and homemade. You can taste it from what you put in it. A lot of people use pork, they use beef, and like I said, seafood. So just make sure you chopped up the meat very well if you are incorporating that into your dumplings, and make sure your meat is fully cooked and seasoned to perfection. Now, as you can see, my dumplings are seasoned well. I'm adding in that sauce. Be sure to take out those chili peppers and look at it. It is just so fresh and lovely. If you decide to make this wonderful recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisine Story. Also, if you enjoyed this quick tutorial, be sure to give me a like, comment any other recipes or video topics you'd like to see, and subscribe if you aren't a part of the lifestyle. See y'all next time.